Hey everybody, it's Rich Brooks from Flyte New Media. We're a web design and internet marketing company. Yesterday I created a video on how you could post something to your Facebook business page and have it appear to come from you rather than your business. Got a lot of great responses and a number of really good follow-up questions, and I wanted to answer one of those questions right now. The question was, somebody wanted to leave a post or a comment on another business page that appears to come from their business and not from themselves. And here's how you do it. We'll start with the Social Media FTW page on Facebook. And Social Media FTW is an organization I'm part of that puts on a social media conference here in Maine. The first thing that you're going to need to do is to make sure that you are a fan of the other page that you want to comment on. So for example, here we are over at jobsandme.com, their fan page or their business page on Facebook. I want to go to Add to My Page's Favorites. Click on that link, and then I'm going to have to choose, because I'm the administrator of several pages, which one that I want to administer this for. So I type in, or I choose Social Media FTW. Then I can go back to my page and type in my message. And you notice I'm using the @ symbol here as a mention. Start typing out the name of the page that I want to leave a comment on, choose it, and then click Share. Now we go back to Jobs and ME, hit the refresh button, and there's our post. Well, I hope this was helpful. If you have any other questions about Facebook marketing, please feel free to reach out to us. You can find us on the web at www.flyte.biz. Have a great day, everyone.